Hello everyone. If you have moved and need to update your address on Binance, we have got you covered. Let's go through the steps. First, open the Binance app or go to binance.com and log into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now in the Settings menu, find and click on the Personal Information, then look for the Residential Address section. Click on Edit, then update your residential address. Now you will need to ensure all the details are accurate and click Save to confirm the changes. Now depending on your location, Binance may ask for documentation to verify your new address. Upload a utility bill, bank statement, or government document as proof. And that is how you change your address on Binance. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.